Hi everybody, it's Julie and happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there and the stand-in mothers and to all the mothers in heaven. So somehow this never got posted, but I had put this together in March so we'd have plenty of time to use it. And today I went and looked because I was like, wow, I haven't sold any of the Mother's Day kits. It never got finished or posted. So I'm going to show you the kit, and then I added in the original kit, and that is as a bonus to the kit. So you get the original postcards and music page as well. Some of these were printed borderless. I would recommend on the cards, the ephemera pages, to print them regular, not borderless. So it has 16 files, so you get 3 JPEGs and 2 zip files full of images. So this is one of the JPEG files, and so you get the 6 cards, or you could cut it and use it as a mini album or pages. You could also print it on cardstock and make cards out of it. I think it would be beautiful. So you'll see that a lot of the images repeat. And so this is the mini book page. You see you get 3 sets of pages. This is also a page with the mom and the baby in the carriage, and then there's also another, probably a mom and the child on the bench. So that would give you 4 pages for a mini album. And this is also one of the JPEGs, so you get this page set. The music pages, when I put them together, we end up with this space down here. I went ahead, rather than blowing this up and losing the music, I figure we can come in and put a pocket right here, because this is not really a page that you'll be able to write on, but if you put a pocket across, and it'll be great. So this is the postcards, the original postcards. So we have this little piggy went to the market, or the little pig went to market here, and the mom there at the park, she's got her some flowers, and anyway, cute little kid. How about this is how we drink our milk, and this one, and mother's little understudy telling dad what to do. This one, again, I would do it not borderless. These were printed borderless, and I'm running out of time. So here we are ironing. Little boy writing the letter to darling mother, and mom is actually playing the piano, and they're dancing behind her in the original. You get the backs of some of the postcards. Again, I printed it borderless. Don't print it borderless. Make sure you have your border. And so there you go. You get some back of postcards. You get the original song. So those postcards in that music paper right there are one of the zip drives. Then this is an ephemera page. And so you see you get like journal cards size, or of course, again, you can cut these and they can be for a mini journal. I mean, this right here, you could fold that. That could be the cover. And then I did go ahead and use the grunge dot papers in this because there was so much gray. I was like, well, I'll use that. So we have a tag and an envelope and a smaller envelope and tag in green. And so that's one of the ephemera pages. This is the small ephemera page and the super mini book. So you can make this right here. You can make a little teeny tiny book. And you've got more of the envelopes in all the different sizes. So here is, oh, I love this page. So you get the 2 mother-daughter pages, or mother-child pages. the To My Darling Mother and the Grunge Dot page. So, I mean, that could be your cover. And of course, you can put this through a filter and add color to it, or, you know, even color it in yourself. Now, this one was printed not borderless, and it is quite pixelated, but it meant to be a background piece. So, and I just think it turned out really awesome. I love the colors in it. There's your Grunge Dot and giant tag. And then I went ahead and, since I had made these, I went ahead and add these in anyway. But you might want to use these instead of the muted and light color pages. You have some of the natural pages. So, and a different configuration with her on this side instead of on the left. There's that image printed borderless, and this is the original before it was muted. So there's the little ephemera page. There is the image printed. Oh, did I already? The image printed. I'm like, is this my set that I was going to play with? Sorry. Yeah, that's my set I was going to play with. Okay, so there's your big ephemera, little tiny ephemera. Yeah, so these are the ones I was gonna play with real quick. So just you know, one of the things this would also make a great. You can cut it out, and I just think this would be an awesome first inside page, or the middle of your signature, either one, you know, but again, if you don't print it borderless, I would go ahead and cut it, maybe even with the white on the outside, using your a lace edge might be kind of cool. Okay, so I just have my Martha Stewart lace edge punch here. So that gives you kind of an idea. I think that might be really, really pretty. Maybe cut this off down here and this up here, and then just have your lace edge on the side. Yeah, I think that would be really, really pretty. So you know how to use one of these punches. They are amazing. You just go in and line up your image here and cut it, and you get your lace all in a row. Make sure I'm seeing it correctly. Okay. I love these punches. Oh, I must have messed up a little bit there. We'll just do that. Okay. There we go. Then we get all the little thingies. But I think that would be really pretty. But I also think it would be really pretty as the first page that you see as you come into a journal or book. So there's that. And then, of course, on your tiny ephemera, this right here is your little teeny mini book. And you can cut these out in with twos and have a little tiny mini book, or add this into a mini book. And the same thing here, you can cut these or cut it this way and add that into a mini book as well. And then, of course, you have all these envelopes. And so I did want to show you the difference. So this one was printed borderless. You see our tag comes all the way out to the edge. These are coming down to the bottom. This got cut off. So if you print it regular, you're going to get the image. All the images are intact. Okay, so do pay attention to that, where you might want your pages borderless, you're probably not going to want your ephemera pages borderless. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see what you might make with it. You can hear Chip in the background. He's inside. We have that kitty we're fostering, and he's just discovered it. So yeah, so I'm gonna end up losing that page right there, but we'll go ahead and cut this and put this right here and just fold it up. So it's kind of fun, this little kit right here, and you'll have you'll be able to make 3 different sizes of journals. Okay, so you can just put that in there, add some other papers from some other things, you know, like some play money or whatever, and there you go. So anyway, this is available now in my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Julie, and I have it at a very special price. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe, and have an amazing day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you that are mothers, stand-in mothers, and all of our mothers in heaven. Bye-bye.